Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's time to learn how to use ChatGPT with Siri on your iPhone, iPad and Mac. After a long wait, the ability to use ChatGPT with Siri has become possible in the latest version of iOS, iPadOS and macOS. Thanks to the multimodal aka, the ability to comprehend text and multimedia content skills of ChatGPT, you can now ask questions that will require processing an image or file. What's more, you don't need to install any app or even make an OpenAI account to use ChatGPT with Siri on a compatible iOS, iPadOS or macOS device. That's it, let's get started. So first off, launch the Settings app on your iPhone, iPad or Mac. After that, look for the section titled Apple Intelligence and Siri and then tap on it. Then you have to scroll down to Extend Apple Intelligence and Siri section, and then you have to select the ChatGPT option to proceed. Then you have to tap on Setup against the ChatGPT option at the top of the screen. And on the pop-up page that appears, select Next, and then you have to hit Enable ChatGPT and you are good to go. Additionally, you can also set up prompts to allow Siri to suggest using ChatGPT when appropriate, and that's pretty much it. Now go ahead to get the most out of the ChatGPT integration with Siri. While it is too early to pass a full-fledged judgment, the integration is well thought out and implemented. Moreover, it's done by keeping your privacy and security in mind, and that's about it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.